Hey, what's been going on guys? We are Sim Neverlock, and in this video we're gonna show you how to unlock any iPhone locked on any network carrier. First of all, you'll have to shut down your iPhone, then remove the SIM card and put it away. Now start your phone again and follow our steps. To unlock this phone, we're gonna have to find out the IMEI number. We'll do that by dialing *#06#. This will show up the 16 digits code called the IMEI number. Write down this number because you'll need it to unlock the device. Then what we have to do is unlock the phone from our website SimNeverlock.com. If you don't have access to the locked phone, you can unlock it from another device. You just need the IMEI number. So let's fill out the needed information. Type in your email, IMEI and phone model. Make sure everything is correct. Once done, hit the magic unlock button and wait for the unlocking. At the final step, you'll have to pass the human verification task, which is how we monetize our unlocking. Follow the steps correctly and install one of the apps shown on your screen. When installed, run the app for about 30 seconds. Once done, your phone should be unlocked. Insert your SIM card to check your device. My iPhone is unlocked and I'm successfully connected to my network. If you missed out on something or have any questions, make a comment or check out our channel. It has plenty of useful videos based on phone unlocking. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.